Hi everyone. Today we are going to be doing some constructions. So you need your compass, you need your straight edge. Alright, and these notes. So we're going to construct an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. These are very common Regents questions. So I'm going to go over all of them. Alright, so if you ever had to construct a square inside a circle, first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your straight edge and just draw any diameter. Just make sure you're going through the center of the circle. And then you are going to do the perpendicular bisector of that diameter. So that's your Jesus fish. And that is going to, create a new segment. And then you're just simply going to connect the four vertices. So I will show you what I'm talking about. All right, so let's try. So construct any diameter, doesn't matter. I'm going to go a little bit past, so then I'm determining 2 points. And then you're going to do the perpendicular bisector, so you put your endpoint on 1 point of the diameter. Pick a radius that's more than halfway. Swing an arc. Keep the same radius. Put the pointer on the other endpoint of the diameter. Swing an arc. That has now determined 2 more intersection points, so I'm going to connect those. So I'm just going to kind of label here A, B, C, D. And when you connect those, you get your square. All 4 sides are congruent, and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other in a square. And there you have it. So try it again. I always like to, when I'm doing constructions, I like horizontal and vertical lines. It's just a little bit easier for our brain. So I am going to start with a horizontal diameter. So I'm just doing the same thing again. These points don't have to be on the circle. Mine are pretty close. It kind of depends on the radius you choose. But when you draw the square, you do want to pick those 4 endpoints that are on the circle. So it's very easy. So there you have it. Same construction, no matter what size circle. That's how you get a square. Easy peasy. Alright, so let's flip. So again, that was how to construct a square. So those are your directions. You need to have those memorized in order to do that construction. All right, flipping. Construct a regular hexagon. Regular means all sides are congruent. Well, and you have all angles congruent. And hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. Okay, so the directions are, you place a point anywhere you want on the circle. And then you are going to use your compass. You are going to measure from the center to your point. That's determining the radius. And then you put your compass point on your original point and then swing an arc. That determines a new point. And then you're going to keep doing it, going all the way around the circle. And then the very last one is the judge to see how accurate you are. This is where you're really going to see some human error with your last one. There should be 6 arcs. Yep, 6 by the time you go all the way around. And then you have created 6 points on the circle. You connect them all with your straight edge, and there's your regular hexagon. Okay, so I'm going to now demonstrate. So anywhere you want, start on your circle. Does not matter where. Anywhere you want. Then you are going to measure from the center to that point. This is where you really need to be as accurate as possible. All right, so you're measuring. All right, now I've determined my radius. So now all you need an arc that's long enough to determine a point on the circle. So here's my new point. I'm going to put my center there. Keep the same radius. I've just determined another point. Again, keep the same radius. I've determined a third point. You just kind of keep doing this, going around. Line it up. Take some time. All right, here we go. Let's see. How close? I'm off. There's always a little human error with this one, but leave all of those arc marks. You would get full credit for those. So this is going to be off a smidge. Mine's actually off quite a bit. So again, human error, compass error. Oh, that's right. I didn't even connect very well. Well, we're going to try this again the next time. Oh, these are terrible. All right, yeah, that's all pretty bad. So let's try that one again. All right, pick any point. Measure. And, you know, your center point's a smidge big. I'm going to try to get this as accurate as I could possibly get it. You know, you can show accuracy right there, like I'm dead on. And then again, you know, my points are a bit big. So I'm going to try to do smaller points. Just kind of do one teeny tiny dot. I'm going to try to be a lot more accurate on this one. And again, speed affects accuracy with a construction. How loose your compass is affects it. How steady your hand is affects it. Alright, moment of truth. Still off. Bummer. Total bummer. Alright, I'm going to do a better job lining up the points at least this time. So, I don't know. Hopefully yours will be a little bit better. But that's how you get your hexagon. Now don't worry, the next construction you're going to be practicing this exact same thing again. The next one is an equilateral triangle. So a triangle with 3 congruent sides. So pretty much it is the exact same construction, but then you're going to connect every other arc. Easy peasy. So again, this one construction is going to work for 2 different end results. So make sure you know how to construct a hexagon, because an equilateral triangle is the same thing. So follow the same steps from above, but now you're going to connect every other vertice, and that's how you're going to make an equilateral triangle. So you're still going to have your 6 arc marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to connect every other one. Doesn't matter which, every other one, just every other one. Alright, so we're going to try it 2 more times. Let's see if I can be more accurate. I have a pretty good compass, so I'm not quite sure what the deal is. Alright, that looks dead on. And you notice I'm not touching the other side here. So I'm just kind of, it might be easier to rotate your paper versus to make your wrist go at weird angles. So this is it. They're easy. And these have been very common on the regions. Don't know what will be on there this year. It's anyone's guess. But they like to have you construct stuff with a circle. Oh, this one's now I'm a smidge more. But this is the closest so far. You see I went a tiny bit past. Oh, so now you're doing a triangle. Connect every other one. So if I connect this one, I'm going to skip that one and connect to the second one. I almost did hexagon again. Then skip that, connect to here. And then connect these last 2. And you have an equilateral triangle. Voila! Alright, last time. Pick a spot anywhere you want on the circle. Measure. They're easy, quite easy. And I'm good. Good to go. Let's start this up. 1. I'm not going to do the dots this time. I'm just going to line it up real carefully. 2. 3, you might want to put the dots just so you could see it. Well, I shouldn't call them dots, points. 4, 5, moment of truth. Oh yeah, last one. Finally, I'm perfect. So equilateral triangle, you're going to connect every other point. I'm feeling vindicated. I did it. I did it. It only took me 6 times. Usually they say you got to practice something 7 times for it to become perfect. So there, I beat the odds. I did it in 6. All right, so that's it. Have fun with constructions and have a great day. Bye.